Hello guys, welcome to my VTU and Bulk SMS Portal class. So today we're going to have a smooth ride on how to design a VTU site. A VTU site is a visual top-up site that you can use to top up airtime, recharge cards, and even buy data. Okay, so today I'll be showing you guys how to design this site and charge your clients between 100,000, 200,000, 500. You can also charge them 500,000 naira for this skill. Okay, so this is a hot selling skill that is making people millions of money, so you can learn this and charge your clients these kinds of amounts of money to design this client for them. Okay, so not only that I'm going to teach you how to design this site, I'm going to give you access to the files that I'll be using to create this site. Okay, so make sure you pay attention, because I would love this class to be of practical, so you can practicalize what I'm going to show you guys, then implement them so it can yield result for you. So to get started, the first you have to do is to get a domain name and hosting. Okay, so the site that we are going to use for this domain name and hosting would be it's a popular site known as Namecheap. Okay, Namecheap is one of the best domain and hosting company that you can purchase a domain name from. Okay, you can use Namecheap. I've been using that for a while now, and it's one of the best. So I'll be dropping my affiliate link on the description box below, so you can sign up the link, then go ahead to purchase your domain name and hosting. Okay, so the first thing, I already have an account with them, so I'll go ahead to sign in to the account. Okay, so once you have signed in, this is the interface, this is the home page. Okay, this is the interface of what the site looks like. Okay, but once you have signed up, what you have to do is to come to this section, and this section you have to type in the name of your site. Let's say VTU SMS master. Alright, once you have done that, just click on the search button. Alright, as you can see, the domain name that we search for is available. If the domain name is not available, Namecheap will also show you that this domain name is not available. So you can go ahead to use this domain name for your website. Then what you have to do is you click on add to cart. Alright, once you have added this to carts, then come to this section, the hosting section, click on share hosting. Alright, once you have done that, you can see you can purchase your domain name and hosting. This is for yearly plans. You can see for yearly, this is the amount you're going to pay. For monthly, this is the amount you're going to pay. Okay, and you can also see the features. For instance, for this one, you're limited to 3 websites. Okay, so you can see. So you can go ahead to explore these hosting plans, then choose the one that you want to use for your design. But today I'll be making use of the first one, that's a monthly subscription. Then click on get started. Once you've done that, the domain name will be added to cart. Just come to this section and come to this section, then select the domain name you're going to use for your website. Okay, I'll be using VTU master and the rest of them. So just once you've done that, just go ahead and click on add to cart. So once you've done that, you can see this is the you can see my domain name. That's the domain name and the hosting plan. This is my hosting plans. Then go ahead and click on confirm order. Okay, once you've done this, you'll be directed to the section where you go ahead to input your MasterCard, your debit card, so you can make payment to it. So, but I'm not planning on doing that now. So once you've done that, just click on continue. Okay, once you've made the payment, you'll be given access to this section. Then what you have to do is to input the domain name. Let's say my domain name is global technologies then slash cpanel. So you'll be given access to the domain name, your cpanel name and password. Okay, you'll be given the login details. Then once they have done that, then input your domain name, the domain name that you want to use slash cpanel. Once you've done that, just click on cpanel. Alright, so this is where you log in the details that was sent to you. Okay, you log in your cpanel and username and password. After you have made the payment, you'll be given the cpanel login certificate. So here is where you will log in your cpanel name and password. So once you've logged in, this is the interface. This is your cpanel. Okay, this is the cpanel interface. This is what you see once you log in. Okay, so what you have to do now is to go to your file manager. Okay, file manager, come to this section and search for file manager. Right, tap on it to open it. Okay, so once this has opened, what you have to do is to come to public_html. Okay, click on it. Okay, on this section, don't worry, you won't be seeing these files. Okay, the reason why you're seeing this is because I have sites that are running on this cpanel. I've been using these sites to host other websites. That's the reason why you're seeing this. But once you're logged in, what you'll be seeing is only public_html and some other details. Okay, then the file that I'm going to give you access to, you upload directly to your public_html. Okay, you upload directly. Just come here, click on the upload section to upload the file that I will give you access to. But since I'm using this for a practical, I will have to go ahead to create a folder for it. Okay, so I'll quickly come here and click on create a new folder. Let's see, the folder is VTU site. This is the name I want to use for the folder. Okay, then click on create folder. Alright, I've created a folder. Hope you can see. So I'll go ahead to upload a file inside this folder. Okay, I'll click on this upload button. I'll quickly search for this file. Don't worry about the file. At the end of this video, I will show you how to get access to this file. Okay, so this is the file. I will go ahead to import this file. Alright, you can see it has started loading. But meanwhile, let's go ahead to create our database. Okay, let's go ahead to create our database. So what you do is just come to the home page, then search for database. Hope you see how I'm searching it. Just click search for data. Your database wizard will appear. Alright, so what you have to do is to input the name that you want to use for your database. Okay, let's say let me use vtudesign. vtudesign. Okay, then click on next step. Let's create the database user. Okay, let's say VTU site user. Then for the password, you can let's generate a password for it. Let's make use of password generator. Okay, I won't like to use special character for my password. I would like to use a special character, so let me see. Okay, let me make use of this. For the password, just copy the password you're making use of. Let's copy. You can copy the password. Make sure you copy this password, then paste it on your somewhere or even on your notepad. Once you've done that, Then also go ahead to, after you have copied the password, go ahead to paste that here. Like you can copy this password, okay? So once you've done that, just go ahead and click on create user, okay? Then go ahead to copy these details, because you make use of this user login details, okay? Make sure you copy these details. Just follow me step by step, so you won't do any mistake by doing this. So I've copied that. Just on this section, click on upload images, then click on next step. Alright, so you have created our database, okay? Then let's go ahead to check if our file is still loading. So okay, the file has completed, but let's go ahead to create our SQL database, okay? Let's go and upload our SQL file. So you open the SQL file, just come to this section, click on this section, okay? Just search for phpMyAdmin, okay? phpMyAdmin is the aspect of your website where you upload your SQL file, okay? SQL means structured query language. That's the file that the computer makes it. So you can see the database that we created, VTU site, okay? What you have to do is click on it, then go ahead. Once you have clicked on it, go ahead and click on import. Make sure you click on it, then go ahead and let's wait for this to load. Then go ahead and click on import. We want to import our SQL file. Then this is the SQL file, the front end SQL. That's what we import right now. SQL. Okay. Then come back to the section and click on go. Alright. Once you've done this, just allow it to load. Let's check for the other time. Alright, this has completed. This has completed already. So let's make sure the scene loads to 100% and turn to green color. Okay. Then click on go back. So you can see this is the front end zip file, okay? So let's go ahead to extract this file. Just click on extract file. Extract files. So hope you have seen that. Let's refresh this. You have seen the folder. So let's open this folder. Alright, so you can see these are our files. Then let's move these files to our VTU sites. Okay, let's move it to our VTU site. So what you have to do is just click on select all, then move. Let's delete this, okay? Let's delete this. Good. Let's go ahead to move this. Then click on move file. You are moving this file to VTU site. Then click on move files, okay? You can see. Then let's check this out. If we have been able to, hope you have seen, we have moved this file to our VTU site, okay? So what you have to do, I don't need this file anymore. Let me go ahead to delete this. So I've deleted the raw file. So once you've done that, the next thing you have to do, let's check if our SQL files has finished. You can see we have successfully imported our SQL file. Okay, so once you've done that, come over to your cPanel. Let's go over to your cPanel and click on the WP config. Let's search for WP config. Okay, this is my WP config. Okay, so what you have to do is just click on edit. Let's click on edit. Okay, so at this section, what you have to do is then go ahead to the file that you copied out. This is the file that we copied out. For the password, just copy the password. I won't advise you to type it, just copy it. Okay, just follow what I'm going to do so you won't make any mistake. Okay, and for the password, highlight this, then click on paste. Okay, for the we have done that for the password. I think there was a mistake. That's why we need to be very careful while doing this, but I think there was a mistake. We go ahead to put this and repeat the process. Edit. This is for the password. Let me check this so I won't make any mistake. Okay, copy the password, then at this section highlight, then delete. Okay, then paste. Okay, hope you see how I did that. I've done that for the password. For my database, let me copy from my database. Okay, I've copied that and come to DP name. Okay, my DB name. Okay, so that's where you paste this. Just highlight, then delete, then you paste. Okay, hope you see how I did that. You need to be careful while doing this. For the user, you also do the same for the user. It's very easy. Just make sure you pay attention and don't make any mistake. Most especially at this section, don't make any mistake. Then paste. Okay, so we have been able to paste our DB user and password. Okay, so let's go ahead to save this. Just click on save changes. So let's we have been able to save our changes. So the next thing you have to do is just come over to your SQL file where you click on where you imported your SQL file. That's our phpMyAdmin. Then click on your VTU DB site. Okay, alright, once you've done that, just click on search for WP options. Okay, this is my WP options. Just click on it. Alright, so at this section, what you have to do is just come over here and edit just by clicking on just double click on this. Okay, then remove this site and impute your site. Okay, impute your domain name on this section. Let me use my domain name. Let me check that out. Okay, this is my domain name, so I'll go ahead to copy this. Let me copy this. But my domain in this section, my domain name will be globaltechnologiesmedia.com/VTU site. okay, because you know that's the folder. Okay, so this will be my domain name, but in your own aspect, just go ahead to put your domain name. Okay, then copy this and come over to that section. Okay, then click on paste. Okay, paste it. Once you have done that, just click out here to save that. Okay, to be it's automatically save. Okay, then double click for the other one, then also paste it here. Okay, we have saved that too. Okay, we have saved that. So the next thing we have to do is let's go ahead to check it out. Okay, load the site to see what you have done, but let's again confirm what you have done. Okay, to make sure we didn't made any mistake. Okay, so I think we have been able to set up everything. So let's go ahead to check out our site. Okay, so let's load this to see what we have. Awesome. So you have seen, you have been able to import our domain as our WordPress site. This is a WordPress site. You have been able to import our website, our WordPress site. Okay, you can see how awesome it is. Hope you have seen that. So what we'll do now is let's go ahead to log into our WordPress dashboard. Okay, just come over here. Just come over here and click on VTU site. So VTU site slash WP admin. Okay, alright, but we don't know the password of this WordPress, so I will show you guys how to hack your WordPress password. Okay, you know, we don't know the password of this. Let me show you guys how to hack your WordPress password. Just come over to WPC users. Okay, once you've done that, just allow it to open. Come over to this section and click on edit. Okay, just click on edit. Then what you do here is just input your WordPress username. I will use admin for it. Then the password. Let me use this as my password. Admin paste, Control V. Let me delete this. Right, so I would like to use this as my password. Okay, let me go ahead and copy this. Alright, so once you've done that, come over to this section and select the MD5. Okay, make sure you select MD5 unless it won't work. Okay, it will work. So go ahead and click on go. Alright, then let's go ahead to check what you have done. So let's go ahead to check if it will work. Admin. Wow, hope you have seen that. We have logged into our WordPress dashboard. So let's go ahead and click on remind me later. So that's how to hack a WordPress account. Okay, so you can see how awesome that is. So let me show you guys. Just come over to this section and click on general. Come to general. this site, the site title, so just go ahead to select the name that you want to use for your site. Let's say I want to use global. Let's say I want to use global VTU portal create, okay? Or let's say VTU portal. Okay, the tagline, you can go ahead to edit this. You can also leave it like this. As for the URL, okay, the Gmail, let's use this for the Gmail. Okay, so once I've done that, just come over here and click on let's click on save changes. Hope you see this address is used for admin purposes. If you okay, so we have to create this webmail. Okay, you have to create this webmail. So let me show you guys how to create a webmail. Okay, a webmail account. So just come over here, come to your come over here and search for webmail. Sorry, just search for email account. Okay, this email account. Alright. This account. So let's go ahead to create the member. This is how to create a webmail account. Okay, just click on create. Yeah, this is the domain for the username. Just click on we want to use admin. Okay, admin arts. Okay, arts.economymedia.com. Password, just set your password. Let me generate password for this. I don't like password with special characters. Let me search. Let me go ahead to use this as my password. Paste. Let me use that as my password. And then edit settings. Select unlimited. Just go ahead and click on create. Okay. Okay, so we have created this. So let me quickly click on check email. Yes, now open. Let me take this. Open my inbox when I log in. Open. Your webmail is just like your Gmail, just that your webmail makes your work look more professional. Whenever you're using a webmail, okay, whenever you're using webmail, people take you serious. So you can see you have been able to log in, right? So let's go ahead and continue with our changes. Okay, for the users, let's go ahead and also edit this for our users. Let's go ahead to input our own email. Just click on edit. So done that, you can go ahead to upload email. So go ahead to fill in these files. Okay, go ahead to fill in these. Once you're done filling them, then you can go ahead and click on update profile. Okay, meanwhile we still have a pending email that we need to update. Okay, so let's check that out. Just go over to your email account, click on check email. So you can see this I've been sent this email. Okay, so just go ahead and click on it. Let's open this, then click on the mail to access the file. Okay, so the changes can be made. So let's check if that changes has been made. Okay, you can see we have been able to change our email address. Okay, so let's go ahead to update this profile. So that's for it. Once you've done that, the next thing you want to do is to come over to appearance, come to themes. So as you can see, this is the theme that we are using, the advisor theme. Okay, this is the theme that we are using for our design. Then you can come over to just come over to, let's check the advisor options. Okay, come over to advisor options. So it's still ready, so let's give it some time. Okay, yeah, come on. The file is still opening. Our file is still loading. I don't know why this is taking much of our time. Let's try to refresh this to know what's wrong. So it has finally loaded. So this is what you see in the advisor theme. So this section, the general section, come over here to upload your logo. But by the way, you must have designed your logo. Just select your logo. Okay, select that, then come over to this section and click on select. Okay, your logo file will be uploaded. So that on the other hand, go ahead to customize this. Okay, I would like to go into these stuffs now. Just go ahead, these things are simple. Go ahead to customize them. Okay, once you've done that, just go ahead and click on save changes. Okay, click on save changes once you've done that. Okay, then the other thing you need to take note of is the header. For the header section, what you have to do is just click on header. Okay, slideshow. For our slideshow, what you have to do is come over to this section, click on the slideshow, click on the plus icon. Okay, you can go ahead to upload your slide image. Click on the upload section. So put your section on the slide image. You can see these text. You can go ahead to edit them. Okay, let me show you the preview of what I'm talking about so you understand it better. Let me show you the preview of what I'm talking about. Yes, my site has finally loaded fully. So this is how it will look. Okay, so this is the slide image. Okay, so go ahead to change the slide. Okay, same with the text. Hope you have seen the text. So go ahead to edit these details. Okay, in this section, go ahead to edit them. That's for your slider 1. For this slide 2, once you've done that, just go ahead and click on this slide 2. Let's check out the slide 2. Hope you have seen that. So go ahead to upload. If you want to change the image, go ahead to upload your image. Likewise the text too. Okay, once you've done that, you can go ahead to do so for slide 3. Okay, but I don't think there's slide 3, but if you want to add your slide 3, then go ahead to upload the image So that's how you go about this slide section. Once you're done doing that, come over to these save changes and save what you have done so far. So we have saved that. Let's go ahead to check out same with typography, social media. Let's check out the social media. So social media, what you have to do is, if you have a social media URL, this section, come over to social media and paste those URL links here. Okay, paste these things. So that's what you have to do. Okay, so the next thing we'll have to check out is the body of our website. Okay, this is the body of our website, the front end of our website. So go ahead to customize this. You can also edit this with WP Bakery. Just click on edit with WP Bakery. Okay, the site is still loading. I really don't want this to take much of our time, but I think I'm having a poor connection. So you can go ahead to edit this using WP Bakery. So this is the builder. So go ahead to edit the whatever you want to edit. Okay, just click on the edit. This is very simple. Okay, I won't like to dive into these things because it's very easy to edit. Okay, just go ahead to add the necessary details that you want, then click on save changes. Okay, so this is very simple. If you know WordPress, this is very simple. Just go ahead to edit this. Okay, so that's it. So let's move on from here. So you can go ahead to explore this site. Okay, add more changes. So as you can, if you notice, you'll see that our footer is not available here. Okay, there's no footer, so let's go ahead to add footer to our site. Let's come over to footer. Then what you have to do is to come over to this section. Let's edit this. This is not our footer, but let's edit this. Okay, let's say copyright 2020 global. Let's say global portal creator. Okay, let's save this. Okay, if you have a footer phone number, just add it here. Okay, just add it to that section and click on save changes. Okay, so once you've done that, let's go ahead to add our footer to our design. So what you have to do is to come over to appearance, widgets, click on widgets. So for the footer left, what are we going to add to the footer left? Let's see if you add this. Let's go ahead and add navigation menu. Let's add a search bar. Okay, so what you do is just drag this, or let's scroll up a little bit. Let's add this off down left. Search. What else? What should we add off the left? Get in touch. Let's add this to off the left too. also social links on the footer left too. Okay, so our footer right, what we would like to add to it on the footer right, let's add this on the footer right. Let's add newsletter templates. Sorry, let's add newsletter on our footer right. Okay, now we have added newsletter on our footer right. Which other stuff we need to add in? Okay, let's go ahead to check out what we have done to see if the changes was made. So let's check it out. Let's refresh this. Awesome. So you can see this has started blending. Okay, our site has started blending. Okay, see the copyrights at global portal creator. So this is the newsletter template, this is circular, and so that's how you can. Let's see if we add one more thing. Let's see if we add our calendar. Let's add our calendar to our footer left. Footer left. Let's add the calendar to our footer left. So this section for the social links, just add your Facebook URL, Twitter URL, so it can be decided to start displaying on that section. So there's no more thing. Once you've done, just click on done. Okay, so let's add this. Let's add where's the calendar. I want to add the calendar box. Since I'm not seeing that, but let's just go ahead to add what is it called, advisor categories. Let's add this. Okay, so see, so let's refresh this to see all that. So hope you have seen that. So that's how to add footers on your site. Okay, so that's for it. So the next thing we are going to do now is let's go ahead to check out the menu section. Just come over to menu. Okay, come to appearance, menus. So this is our menu. Okay, so you can create new menu. You can create new menu, add to menu. Okay, so these are new menu. So you can go ahead to do that. Okay, once you're done, just click on save menu. Okay, just click on save menu once you're done. So let's go ahead and check out. This is our home. I'll sign up. Don't worry, in my subsequent video I will show you guys how to sign up and log in to our portal. Okay, that's what's left now, how to sign up and log into our portal, which I'll be showing you guys in my subsequent video. So let's go ahead. Okay, I can see the contact us is not linked to anywhere, so let's go ahead to check that out. Just come over to then come over to your dashboard, then go to let's check out if the page contact us was linked to somewhere. Just come to this contact us. Let's check this out. Alright, so let's go ahead to remove that contact us. It was not linked to anywhere, so let's go ahead to remove that. Just come over to appearance, the menu, menus. This contact us. Let's contact us. Let's delete this. This is not linked anywhere. Let's remove this. Okay, I think we have another contact us that is linked to somewhere. Contact us. Okay, so let's add this. Let's add this to our menu. Let's add this. So let's check that out. Let's check it out. That one was not linked anywhere, so it's not linked. So let's also remove this. Let's remove this. Let's click on remove. I think we have another contact us on page. There should be another contact us page. Okay. One more time. So okay, let's check out the menus. I think there is another contact us page, so let's check this out. Meanwhile, let's delete this. Let's remove this. Let's remove this. I think we have another contact us page, so let's click on view all. This is another contact us page, so let's add to menu. Then click on save me. Okay, so once you've done that, let's check out the pages. Where is the pages? This is the pages. This is the contact us. Let's check this out. So this is the contact us, so you can go ahead to edit that. Okay, you can go ahead to edit the contact us page. Just click on this. Okay, edit the contact us page, add in the details that you want. Okay, so once you're done that, just click on save changes, then on save changes, then click on update. Okay, once you're done adding or editing your contact us page, okay, just change it, then click on update. Okay, so that's how to go about it. Okay, that's how to go about it. So the next thing you have to do is just go ahead to practice this. Go ahead to customize your site. Okay, go ahead to customize your site. Edit this to suit whatever you're designing. Okay, edit this, add more details, bring your site. Okay, to be more better than this. Okay, so that's it. We will be designing the back end of our portal. Okay, the back end is where users can get to sign up or log in from their account, okay, through your website. So today we'll be designing the back end where they get to sign up and log in. Okay, they'll be able to buy data, buy airtime, top up their recharge card. They can buy WAEC scratch card, jam scratch card, do bulk SMS. So that's it, and you can make huge amounts of money from the, despite the fact the commission is small. Okay, let's say you're earning 5 naira per commission. Imagine a situation whereby you have 1,000 clients using your services in a day. So when you do 5 naira times 1000, that's the huge amount of money. So today I'll be showing you guys how to sign up and log in. Okay, how your clients can sign up and log into their site from your website. So what you do is go over to your, let's go over and log into our cPanel. So this is my cPanel. I'll go to my file manager section. Okay, on the file manager section, click on public_html. okay, on public_html, click on new folder. Okay, let's create a folder for it. I'll go ahead and name the folder, let's say portal. Okay, I'll name the folder portal. Alright, this is the my folder, so don't worry about this. Click on the portal, then click on upload. So let's go ahead to upload our portal file. So this is my portal file that I will be uploading. Don't worry about this file. At the end of this video I will show you how you can get access to this file. I will upload this file for you and give you access to it. Okay, so don't worry about it. Click on the portal too, then click on open. Alright, as it's still loading, let's go ahead to create our database for the file we upload. Okay, let's create our database for our script. So what you have to do is to just search for database. So this is the one you select, MySQL database user. Okay, just select that. So for our database, you can name your database, you can name the database portal. Okay, portal for the name of the database. For the user, you can name the database user, let's say admin. Alright, for the password, let's generate a password for that. Okay, alright, let's use this. But firstly, you have to copy this password, okay, because you make use of it. Let me open my notepad. So I want to save out my password because we make use of this. Make sure you copy your password because you make use of it. Okay, so let me go ahead and click on this password. So once I've done that, click on create user. So once you have created the user, go ahead to copy these files, your username and DB password, that's your database password. Okay, so let me go ahead to save out this file too. Alright, so what you have to do now is to just tick this. Okay, tick this, then click on next step. We have created our database. Okay, so what we'll do now is let's go ahead to check if we have done uploading our file. Okay, let's check if this file has fully uploaded. Okay, our file has been uploaded, so let's go ahead to check that out. Let's reload this. Alright, okay, so let's go ahead, but before then let's go ahead and create let's go ahead to upload our SQL file. So go to phpMyAdmin, click on phpMyAdmin. phpMyAdmin is the database aspect where you get to upload your SQL file. Okay, so what's up to this, you have see the DB that I just created, just click on it. Then once you click on it, you give it some time to load. Alright, then click on this section, click on import. So go ahead and choose file. This is the file you're uploading, the client database. Okay, click on open. Once you've done that, then select go. So that's how you go about it. Meanwhile, let's go ahead and do this. Let's go ahead to extract the file that we uploaded. Okay, .html. This is it. Okay, so let's check out the file that we uploaded. Okay, I'll come reload. Public_html file manager. File manager. Portal. Public_html. Okay, this is my this is the file. Okay, but this file is meant to be uploaded inside this portal folder. Okay, so let's go ahead and move this to our portal folder. Okay, just click on move. What will happen is this. Let's go ahead and upload this file. Just open the portal, then click on upload. Okay, let's upload this directly to the portal folder. Sorry, this is the one we are going to upload. Let's click on upload. Okay, so let's give it some time to load. Okay, so we have successfully uploaded our file. So let's go back. Good. So let's go ahead to extract this file. Just click on extract. Okay, then click on extract files. Alright, you have extracted this file. You have extracted the file. So let's move this file to our portal. Let me scroll up this. Alright, you have extracted this file. So let's move this to public_html folder. Let's move this. Just select all, then click on move. Click on move. Okay, let's move these files here to our folder. Alright, the file is already in our folder, so no need for that. So let's go ahead and let's go back. Alright, so what you have to do is just kindly go back. Okay, let's go back to our cPanel. Folder, public_html. So you can go ahead to delete this. We don't need this anymore. So let me delete this. I don't need this anymore. Okay, confirm. So the next thing you have to do is like this, the extract files. Okay, this is the extract files. So let's check if our SQL file. Okay, we have successfully imported our SQL file. Then let's go ahead to the next thing you have to do is just come over to this section. Just go over to this section and click on search for WP config, or yes, WP config if I'm not mistaken, or .php. Okay, copy this. Right click, then click on edit. Okay, so right now what you do here is this: the password that you copied out, this way you impute them. Okay, make sure you don't make any mistakes are not tolerated in this section, because any mistake your site will not run. Okay, so what I just copied is the BP pass. So what you have to do is to repeat this. Go ahead and edit this and paste your BP password. Okay, right to edit and paste your DP password. So that's for my DP pass. Let me check out my user. This is for my user, so I'll go ahead and copy this. So let me edit this. So the last thing is to copy my DP name. Okay, my DP name, that's this. This is my DP name. So place your DP name on this section. So once you've done that, then go ahead and click on save changes. Okay, click on save changes. Alright, you have done that. So let's go ahead to check this out. Okay, so let's go ahead and check it out. So what you will do now is this. Come to our home, then let's check out our website. Okay, then the name will be, the name of our site will be Global Technologies / VTU. So this will be the name of our Global Technologies / portal. We want to log into our portal. So what you have done. So your domain name / the portal. Now the reason why we are making, alright, so / portal. So once you load this, boom, it has given us access to the user information. So what you have to do is now use the section where the user can log into his account. Okay, so when you click on create account, this way the user can create his account. Okay, so we now have the user login section, and also we now have the user login and create account section. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is, let's go ahead. Let me first do this. We will not go ahead to input this link, this portal link in our WordPress dashboard. Okay, so what we do is just copy this link. Let's copy this link and log into our WordPress dashboard. Okay, so your WordPress dashboard, come down to menus. Okay, on your menus, then go ahead and click on, come down this section, you can say sign up. You can edit this to sign up, or let's say create account. Okay, let's say create account. Okay, once you've done that, then the link that you copied, the link, let's check out for our create account link. Okay, this link is for create account. Then let's go ahead to copy this link. So the link is what you are inserting in this section. Okay, I've inserted my link. Then come down to this section for the signing. You can edit this. You can edit the signing to, let's say, login. For the login link, okay, this is for login link. pasting the login link and on this section. Okay. Okay, so once you're done that, go ahead and save. Okay, save menu. Alright, you have saved that, so let's go ahead and refresh our site. Let's check this out. Check this out, okay? Let's check this out. Just come down here and click on our let's visit site. So when the user click on create account, so let me reload that. I'll refresh. I think there was a mistake in the menu section. Create account link. I think there was a mistake in the link. There was a mistake in the create account link, so let's make sure we copy this correctly. Save menu. Okay, so let's refresh this. So when click on create account. What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? So let's try this one more time to see what the issue is. Let's try this one more time. For the last time. Alright, you can see the error has been corrected. Okay, I think there was a mistake in the link that we copied. Okay, so when you click on create account, this is what will this is the session that will pop out for you, so you can sign up for your account. Okay, then let's go ahead and log in to see if we'll be directed to the login section. Awesome. So when you click on login, we'll be directed to the login section. Okay, so we have successfully imputed our login link and sign up link in our WordPress section. So let's now log into the admin backend. Okay, so log into the admin backend will be /portal/admin. Alright, this is the admin portal. This is our admin portal. Okay, so don't worry, I will give you the admin login details. Okay, I'll give you the access to the login details that you will use to log into the admin section. Okay, so I'm going ahead to use my admin password. Awesome, so I've successfully logged into my admin backend. Okay, this is the admin backend. This is what it looks like. Okay, so The first thing you want to do here is to come down to the site settings. Come down to site settings. On site settings, just click on it. Then go ahead to edit this name. Implement your portal name. Implement the phone number, your admin email. Okay. For this captcha key, if you notice, you will see when you click on create account, this will show error. Let's try to refresh this. You can see this error for site owner is invalid. So let's go ahead and correct that. Let me show you guys how you correct that. So what we'll do here is come down to paste the captcha. Okay, paste the captcha. Once you type in your domain name, what's my domain name? This is my domain name, so let me go ahead to copy this. Paste it on this section. Again, then select the second one. The domain name, paste it again. So make sure you're signing to a Gmail address on this browser. Okay, make sure you're signing to a Gmail address. Then go ahead and click on accept the captcha postal services. Then click on submit. Hopefully that error has been corrected. So what you do is copy the site key. Okay, the site key, come over to the section and implement the site key on the section. Then copy the secret key. Go ahead and save changes. Okay, for the site logo, you can go ahead and upload your, if you have a logo for the site, go ahead and upload your logo for the site. Okay, so that's how you go about it. So let's check out other details. Okay, this is the let's click on the dashboard so we can view the dashboard section. So this section, when you click on payment, this is where you get payment notification. Okay, so you can also, when affiliate payment is whenever your any of your users make use of the affiliate link, okay, to register new clients. This is the section where it will appear. Okay, so for the account section, you can create new accounts. Okay, you can create new accounts. You can create this wallet. Okay, your users, you can create their wallets on this section. Just click on create this wallet, then implement the their email and their amount. Okay, for the other number, you can pick the other numbers. Okay, so that's for the account, credit wallet. For the services, this they can add new service. When you click on add new service, you can add the service name. Okay, and the rest of them. Okay, view services, the services that on this platform, you can view them and also edit them. Okay, you can edit these services. Okay, so also do SMS broadcasts for SMS, email, newsletter, dashboard email. So just go ahead and explore these features that's on this site. The Richard pin billing, this way you can set the resellers prices. Okay. So let me check that out. Resellers prices. Alright, so this way you set up the resellers price. Now, the reason why the reseller would want to buy from you is because you're selling cheaper. Okay, so let's say you're selling for them at 95.7 naira, so you can go ahead and set this up. Okay, that's for the sellers pricing. And the next thing to check out is the we have talked about this, the billing section, the normal rates, the referral commissions, the set of commissions for your referrals, and the rest of them. So that's it for the transactions. This way you view transactions. Any activity that goes on this site, the transactions that are made on this site, this way to display. That's way to display. For the other thing is wallet funding. Okay, the wallet funding this way. This is where you see your users. Okay, the wallets that you have funded so far. This section is going to appear. Okay. So for bulk SMS history, same with bulk SMS history. Okay. So that's it. The next thing you have to check out is the payment settings. The payment settings, if you have a floater wave public key, this is where you paste it. Okay, this way you set it up. You have a paste tag, API link. You go ahead and copy that and paste it here. Okay, you go ahead and copy that and paste it on this section. I have a paste tag links API key, so I'll go into the stack card. This my stack card already, so I'll go ahead and copy my secret key, then come over to this section, and paste that public key link. Okay, I'll paste that in this section. Okay, that's for the public link. That's for the secret key. That's for the secret key. Then for the public link, this is the public link. So go ahead and paste that public link this section. So once you've done that, just click on save settings. Okay, this paste tag is for your client to make payments online. Okay, through this online gateway. Okay, so once you've done that, that's for the payment settings. You can go ahead and save settings. Okay, click on the save settings, and the next thing you look out for is next thing you look out for is add your bank details. Okay, you can go ahead and add bank details. Okay, let me say here's my bank details. Let me use this for an example. Go ahead and add the bank details, then you click on save settings. So the last thing we look out for is the API. Okay, the API section. This API, these are the people that provide you the service. Okay, they are the ones that provide you with the service. Okay, so what you will have to do is to sign up with them. Okay, you sign up to their portal. So what you do is just come to this section and click on create API key. Okay, once you click on create API key, then you'll be given access to buy these services from them, then resell on your portal. Okay, they will just like the way your clients resell these services on your website. This is the way you buy from this API platform. You'll be given access to your API key, okay? So you go ahead and load your balance, okay? So after you've loaded your account, the amount will appear on this section. Let me go to my dashboard. On the dashboard section, this way your balance will appear, okay? So whenever your clients perform any activity on your site, whenever they buy data, whenever they buy airtime, the amount will be deducted from your balance, okay? So that's how it works. So the API, they are the one that provides funds for you. So once you've done that, the next thing you need to take note of is the transaction aspect. Transaction aspect, that's where you view the transactions, okay? Any wherever your clients perform any transaction on the site, the transaction aspect, that's where you get to see both the wallet fundings and history, bulk SMS history. That's where you get to see this transaction. So the next thing we need to check out for is let's check out this bulk. I think I saw bulk SMS, okay? Let me show you guys how you go about your bulk SMS section. Okay, SMS brokers. Okay, this SMS brokers. Let me check this out. Okay, the SMS brokers. This section, if you want to send that bulk SMS to your recipient, okay, what you have to do is to input their number. Okay, input their number. Let's say 07063. To repeat the number, okay? After you have inserted the number, then go ahead and turn your sender name. Okay, let's say Richy design. Okay. So once you've prepared your sender ID, then compose your message. Okay, you compose your message. Note then recipient, that's where you get to input the numbers, okay? The numbers that you want to send out this broadcast message to, okay? These numbers must be separated by a comma. I don't know if you have done bulk SMS, you understand what I'm talking about, okay? You can render these services to such people the ones that normally perform these transactions, and you can make massive amounts of money from them, okay? So this is how they can come to your site and make huge amounts of money. Okay, so that's it. So I believe I've shown you guys the settings aspect where you get to set up your site settings and the rest of them. So I would like to let's go ahead to log into the user portal, okay? The user portal, so we can explore what we have there, okay? So let's go ahead to test what you have done so far. Let's go ahead to test what you have done so far, okay? But firstly, I would like to rectify this issue. I think we are having a little issue here. So let's go ahead to rectify this issue. Whenever this issue comes up on your site, this is what you do. Come over to this section, the admin section, so we can rectify this. Come to settings, site settings. Let's then click on quiz capture section. Our domain name. This is our domain name. Alright, so I've copied my domain name, so let me go straight to my capture and paste this. Then select this on one, then paste the domain name here too. Once you're done that, make sure you're signing to Gmail address, then click on accept. Okay, and click on submit. Once you've done that, you'll be given access to your site key, then come over to the portal section. Come over to site key. Go ahead and highlight this, then paste. Let's copy the secret key and paste the secret key on this section too. So once I've done that, just go ahead and change it. Okay, then let's refresh our site to see if this issue will pop up. You can see it's no longer here, so let's go ahead quickly and create an account. Sorry, Anyanwu Richard. Your email, let me say my email is global. Let me use let's say my name is Richy website design gmail.com. Let's say this by for my password. Let me go ahead and select password. Number, I'm not the robot. Then click on create account. Hope you can see account has been created successfully. So let me go ahead to log into my account. Then click on login here. Okay. Username is on my email is Richy website design at gmail.com. Right? So for my password, let me go ahead to input my password. That's once I've done that, go ahead and click on sign in. Okay, so after I click on sign in, boom, you can see how awesome this looks like. Okay, this is awesome, this is awesome, this is awesome. So let me check out my mail first. I'm going to check out my mail. This is awesome. I so much love how this looks like. Okay, so this is your digital dashboard portal. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. So let's go ahead on the my account section, credit wallet. This way you can get to credit your wallet. Okay, you select the method. Let's say I want to. You can select how you want to pay. If you want to pay with an ATM card, the cash deposit transfer, airtime, and the rest of them. So what you have to do here is whenever you want to pay with your wallet, just go ahead and repeat the amount. Let's say 5,000, then click on proceed. Okay, once you click on proceed, you'll be taken to Paystack. Hope you have seen that. Hope you remember when I pasted my Paystack link. Okay, so you'll be taken to Paystack to make the payment. So that's how it works. Okay, you see payments of 5,000. So that's how you go about it. Okay, so that's for Paystack. If you want to pay with account, if you want to credit your wallet with using your account cash deposit, then click on cash deposit, then click on proceed. You'll be taken to a session where you have to you see these are account details you make transfer to. So that's how you go about it. Put the amount, straightforward. So everything is very easy. Very easy. You can share wallet funds, okay, to user. You can send money to bank. You can submit notification. So you can see this awesome. You can send bulk SMS. Okay, you can send bulk SMS. Just come here, compose your message, input your sender ID, then put the numbers separated by command. People that want to send out this bulk SMS. So typing the message. So that's how you go about it. You can do some TV subscription, you can pay for your cable TV airtime, you can buy VTU airtime, anytime I move. Just go ahead and click on buy airtime, select the network. Let's say I'm buying with ATM, click the amount, let's say 500, the phone number, let's say this is the phone number, then click on proceed. Alright, hope you have seen that. You see, once you click on proceed, you can go ahead to make payments with your wallet or pay with card. So that's easy, that's very easy. You can see the data bundle. This is where you also subscribe for data if you want to buy data and the rest of them. Electric payments, you can make payments, pay electric bills, examination fees. That's where you buy your scratch card. You can go ahead to buy your jam, WAEC, nickel scratch card on this portal. So it's very easy to use. Just come on, select any of the ones you want to use. You select the pin, let's say WAEC result checking pin, put the name of the pin. Once you've done that, click on proceed. So that's how you quickly make payments using this particular service. You can convert your item to cash, transactions. When you click on transactions, let's say transaction history, let's view our transaction history. When you have seen that, whenever you perform the transaction, you can see this transaction is still pending. Okay, this transaction is still pending. Let's check out the admin section to see if actually this really reflected our admin section. So let's come down to transactions. Let's come down to transactions. Three transactions. Hope you have seen that. So once you have received the payment, then go ahead and approve this transaction ESA. Go ahead and credit or fund this your user his airtime. Okay, that's how it works. Okay, let's check out this section too. Let's check out the wallet funding. You know, I tried funding wallets. Let's check out the wallet funding history to see. You can see this is the wallet credits when we try funding using, the reason why it's referred to is because we try funding using cash and card. Okay, so that's why we are seeing these two transactions. So you can go ahead and explore more features on this site. Okay, to credit wallet, this way you credit wallets. Okay, I've said that, and also aside from that, we click on dashboard. Let's click on dashboard. Your users can also become a reseller. Okay, you can charge them good amounts of money. You can charge them 10,000, 20,000, 30,000 to become a reseller under you. Okay, so you can make huge amounts of money on this platform. Okay, so let's check out other details too. Okay, reseller, that's where they set up their own portal and start providing services to people. Okay, the referral section. Okay, that's where you get your affiliate link, so you can earn some commissions whenever they refer someone. Okay, so the settings section, that's where you you can change your password and the rest of it. Hope you can see that. So this is really awesome. This is amazing. So that's how you go ahead to generate or perform these transactions on your site. Okay, you can see it's being listed out on this section. Okay, you can see how awesome this is. You can convert it to cash, foreign transfer, and the rest of them. So this is awesome, guys. I think this here we end this platform, this training, this class. It has been amazing work. So I'll be showing you guys how to get access to these scripts and all the documents that you need for this site. Okay. Alright, to get access to the scripts, as my students, I'll be giving this script out. Both I'll give you access to the front end and the back end of this script. Okay, so I'll be giving this script out for just 20,000 naira. Okay, for 20,000 naira, I'll be giving this script out to you guys, so you can go ahead and charge your clients between 100,000 to 500,000 naira to design a complete, a perfect VTU site portal with Bulk SMS Portal. Okay, so go ahead and make payment. To make payment, this is the bank details. This is the bank details. Go ahead and make payment and send your necessary payment proof to this number. Okay, the number displaying on your screen. Make payment and send a screenshot of it. Okay, for international payments, come to seller.io. Okay, make payment. Once after you're done making payment, you'll be directed to a link where I will give you access to the file. Okay, the back end and front end script that you use to design your website. Okay, so that's how you go about it. Okay, so that's how you go about it. Not only that will give you access to the script, I'll also add you up to my mentorship group where you'll be given access to my lifetime mentorship class. Wherever you have any question, you can drop your questions on the group. Okay, and I'll also show you how to get these clients that can pay you between 100k to 500k designing this VTU website for them. Okay, so that's really cool. So I'll show you how to get this client and make your first 1 million naira in a month. Okay, designing this client. What you need to do is to get 2 to 5 people who are willing to pay you between 200k to 500k or 100k to 500k to design this site for them. Okay, you can make half a million or a million in a month design this site for your clients. Okay, so that's it. If you really find this video helpful, smash the like button and subscribe on the notification bell so you get notified whenever we drop awesome videos like this. Okay, so thank you guys and see you on the next one.